All right, I am in a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter, the one with the big center dash screen, and we're gonna reset the oil reminder. So just reach over here, press the button once, and that will give you the initial startup, kind of like the auxiliary with a key card. Come on. There we go. Press the home button for 2 or 3 seconds and then click the center button, and then you're going to scroll down to Assist Plus. It's going to tell you to switch the ignition on. Turn the ignition on and then scroll down to full service. If you go to service data, it pretty much just has your remaining mileage, your distance. Go down to full service, select it, and you're going to want to go down to confirm service. You hit confirm service, it'll give your oil grade selections. We use the 229.52, so that's the oil grade that I'm going to select. And then it will ask you if service carried out, no or yes. If you select yes, then it will ask you if you sure you want to do this, because you can't resend it once you reset the service. It's done. Just go down, select yes, cannot be undone, confirm, cancel. I'm not doing the service on this truck yet, so I am going to cancel it for right now. But yeah, that's how you reset the service monitor on a 2021 and up, I believe, Sprinter with the larger dash screen.